By the way, before jumping onto this video, I really want to mention that I'm wearing this Nykaa Mattelicious lip crayon in the shade Next Level Nude. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I am going to do a first impression and a review of this palette by Focallure. I have been eyeing this palette from a long time and I recently bought this. So if you follow me on my Instagram, you guys know I have already swatched it, but this will be the first time I will try this and I will see if it blends well or not. And the palette looks like this. The colors are so pretty, you guys. Oh my god, when I saw this palette, I was like, I have to get this because it has so many bright summery shades. I was so in love with this palette. So I got this palette from Focallure India. I'm just going to mention the link in my description box below, so you can buy it from that link. I'm dying to create a beautiful summery look with this, but I'm just going to get creative because I love doing creative eye makeup, you guys. So I got this palette at rupees 900, but I had to pay 100 rupees for shipping. I didn't mind paying this because a lot of Instagram stores are charging 1200 for this and extra shipping, so that's why I got it from Focallure India page, and I'm going to mention all the page down in my description box below. Anyways, let's move on and let's try this palette and let's see how it blends and how is the pigmentation. In the swatches, I found that pigmentation is very good. I didn't see any shades being patchy or something, but let's see on my eyes how it performs. So yeah, let's get started with this video. So first, I'm just priming my eyelid with a concealer. I'm using the PAK Spotlight Ready Concealer. So my eyelids are primed. By the way, I forgot to mention that the palette comes with a brush and the brush quality looks great. So what is wrong with me? And one side is for packing the color and the other is for blending. So I don't know if I'm going to try this or not, but the quality seems good. So first I'm going with my Pro Arte PE23 brush, and first I will go with this shade called Chestnut. It does have slight kickback, but I don't mind that. First I'm going to just pack the color on my crease. I mean, you guys can see the pigmentation, right? So you can see there is no fallout and the color is so pretty and the pigmentation is really good, so I really like it. So now I'm going to take this lemon juice shade, which is a beautiful lemon yellow shade, and I'm going to take this on my PAK 126 brush and I will blend it on my crease. This blended so well, so it looks really pretty. Now I'm just going to cut my crease, and I'm cutting my crease with the same PAK Spotlight Ready Concealer. So now I'm just going to take the shade Diving. This is such a pretty blue color and it has a lot of shimmers in it. So I'm going to take this color on my Morphe pencil brush and just going to apply this on the crease as my liner. So you can see I just got some fallouts just on the eyelashes, it doesn't matter, but the color is so pretty, you guys. Oh my god. Now I'm going to go ahead and again cut the crease so that the liner looks really pretty and precise. Now I'm going to take the shade Sunset and apply it all over my eyelid. And now I'm going to take the shade Rufose and just smudge my upper lash line. And I'm just going to take the shade Chestnut again, smudge it. I love this gradient look. I hope you guys like it too. So I'm going to just finish off this eye and put some falsies and mascara, and I will be back. So now I'm just going to smoke my lower lash line. First I will take the shade Chestnut. Then I'm going with the shade Lemon Juice. So for my inner corner, I'm going with this Sunset shade. And slightly on my brow bone. So guys, this is the final eye look. I am so impressed with this look. Like, this is what I thought I will do, and this is like perfect. I really like it. It's summery, it's creative, it's beautiful. The pigmentation of this palette is beautiful. I have used 5 shades. So I've used 5 shades, and the 5 shades has beautiful pigmentation, and I absolutely love it. If you guys want me to create other looks with this palette, a very wearable look or more creative look, then please let me know in the comment section below. I think I'm definitely going to recommend this palette. I absolutely love this because it has amazing pigmentation. The shade range is pretty well, and the price is again good, so I really like it, and I absolutely love this palette, and I would definitely recommend this palette to you. So this is the 12 colors So Hot Focallure palette. I'm just going to put the link in my description box below to buy it, and do let me know if you guys like this eye makeup or not. And yeah, that concludes today's video. I hope you guys find this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I hope to see you again on my next video. Till then, take care. I love you all. Mwah. Bye guys.